Okay, so we left Tokyo this morning and we are with our guide, Matt, who we'll see several times throughout this video. And we stopped in Gotemba because we're going to be hiking with one other person through the agency that we used. So we used Fuji mountain guides. He said about 30 minutes we'll be at the 5th station, and that's where we're going to be starting our climb. The kids will get their walking sticks and we're gonna start this awesome adventure. You ready? Yeah. Where's your brother?
I'm back there.
You back there? You ready?
Definitely.
Definitely ready? So you said we're not starting at the Yoshida Trail? Which one are we starting
We are
at?
not on the Yoshida Trail. We're on the Subashiri Trail.
Say that again?
Subashiri.
Subashiri.
Exactly, Subashiri Trail. The difference is the Yoshida Trail is the one that's closest to Tokyo, so it's a lot more commercial than this one. This one's a lot quieter. Like I said, the Yoshida Trail, where you can drive up to, is at the 5th station there as well. But they've got hotels, restaurants, pony rides, and all these attractions. It's a lot bigger, whereas here there's only 2 modest mountain huts. And for us, there's 6 huts up to where we're staying tonight, and that's where it actually merges with the Yoshida Trail. But the Yoshida Trail will have sort of 20 huts along the way there. Yeah.
So yes, we are at Station 5. Say hey.
Hey.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi.
And this is where we're starting. And I think that's where we're going. I don't know. We'll see. We are actually going to be going through the forest. The trail that we're on is one of the only ones that actually goes through the forest, which is pretty cool. We're all a little nervous, but we're going to do this, right?
Yes, besties.
Yes.
Together as family.
As family.
Fist bump.
We are climbing. We are climbing. We are doing this. One freaking boulder at a time.
Oh my god.
It's about 2,000 feet. Here you can see it right in the clouds. There's a hut. That's 3,000 meters.
Mm.
You stand up there. Yeah.
Wow.
That's 3,000 meters. So we are going to be going a little bit higher up than that.
Just a little bit?
Sorry?
Just a little bit?
Depends on how, define a little bit.
Wow. It's so far. Onward to adventure.
We are in the adventure. What are you talking about?
You're right. We are in the adventure.
So we're about to make it to the next hut up here. Right back there, we met like a really nice man. There's Aria.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put my foot here.
And you know, while hiking this, our guide, his name is Matt, and we're all saying that he's waterproof because he's like barely wet.
Yeah.
And then there's me and Aria, and we're all soaked. Sacrifice a little blood so that I can become waterproof just like Matt. But we're here. All right.
Oh, fun.
Another 4 hours. 4.5 hours.
So is the next one really fun?
Sorry?
Is the next one really fun?
The next one is not that far. The next one's pretty close.
Oh. So we left the 6th station. We're on our way. Moving up. It's not the worst, but small, slow steps are like the plan of the day. You know, it kind of reminds me of being on the treadmill, but like at 15% incline, really slow, times 2. and then a little bit slower. If this is the way that this is gonna go for the majority of this climb, yeah, we're climbing. I think it's gonna be okay.
Last year, I thought you might be standing.
Look, are you going?
My ancestors were. Okay, from Norway or? Finland? Oh, okay. Okay, you speak English?
There's my children. Somewhere back there. Where are y'all? Oh, there you are. They're coming along. Come on, Arya.
If we look down, we can see where the flag is, and that's where the last hut was. Straight down. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Right, so we'll just still brand the seats here. Nice work. We're 2,700 meters, so elevation-wise, we're halfway for the day. That is very good to hear.
Halfway to the day.
My skills are just
Okay, besties.
Yeah.
But not so much in story.
Okay, do you want to...
I don't know if you can see that flag down there, but that's where we were just were.
I just know we're standing around, you know.
It's the top. It's behind those clouds. Okay, Perry, bye.
Did you get your stamp?
We are about to hit the 7th station, which Matt, the guide, was saying that we shouldn't think about it in terms of number of the station, but rather by altitude. So I think he said this one was going to be 3,000 feet. So I guess we'll find out in a minute once we get up there. But status check. That's how high we are.
What's up, guys? I look a little bummy right now. It's because like we're really high, but basically, look, you can't even see how far we've come. But we're at like, I don't even know, like 3,200, I think. Yeah, almost 3,200. Still got a lot of ways to go. But this is around the altitude where air starts getting really thin and harder to breathe. So, making every breath count. It's definitely worth it.
I want this rock.
Definitely. Alright. Matt's up there somewhere, screaming, "Nice work, team." He's got that mad support. Love that guy. But zoom in. Right up there. So like I just said, we made it up.
3,200. Yeah.
Yo. Yep.
Okay, here is the view from 3,300 feet. And we are almost at our next station. Just a few more feet. So far I've learned this is definitely a tortoise hare situation. Like, we want to be the turtle. Definitely want to be the turtle. There were times when I feel like we're walking even too slow. But if you, as soon as I start to pick up the pace or whatever, it's like you can feel the lack of oxygen. But that slow pace is really what's making this a lot more tolerable. That is the last leg of our trail. Oh my god, look at that. That's all like gravel and uphill. But that right there is our hut. That's where we're going to stay tonight. So this is it. We are going to do this. There's my babies climbing a mountain. Daisuke, I am so proud of you. Yeah, I am super proud of you.
Me too.
I don't think she heard you. That is amazing. There's our bathrooms. I feel like you gotta keep your stick with you all the time just for this wind.
Worth it.
Look at the clouds.
There's a cloud right there.
There's a cloud right there. That cloud is just whooping past us.
It's boosting. It's not even a cloud.
Yes. Okay, do you wanna?
Now I just have to summit.
We're up on the mountain, and I think we're at like the 8th station now. We've been climbing for like 1,000 years. Oh, stop! I look so gumpy. Anyway, we're like above the clouds, and the summit is like up there. Yeah. I have something to tell you. Oh my gosh, I almost died, and then like, oh, it was like this whole thing, and like, and it's so cold. I feel like, oh my gosh, I had to take my hand out to record the video, and it's, oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is like. Yes. Okay, that's all. Bye.
Let's go. Keep your 6 inches at your feet. You absolutely.
Okay. Okay.
What?
What's up?
Cool. So,
You recommend I take the corner and end.
what they've
Okay.
assigned for us is that for you guys to be all down here. I'm in the corner there. I don't think there's gonna be anyone else tonight, but for now, anyways, these are what's been assigned. And then, if in the middle of the night no one shows up or whatever, we can shimmy a little bit if we want to do that.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3 are ours?
Yes.
Okay. Cool.
Here on the mountain is kind of weird because you can see from the inside and even from like all the benches and everything here on the outside that it's intended for a whole lot more people than what there are. And like even the pictures on the walls, they have lines and lines and lines of people in the pictures getting ready to summit or coming through this station. But like for us, there are what, 5 of us, and then I think there's like 2 other people, and that's it. It's kind of weird.
It's time for mountain food. There's Ari's mountain food. Here's Raceland's mountain food. We all had our own way of preparing this delicious meal. It is bedtime here on the mountain.
Do you know what time it is? It's 6:17.
It's 6:17. But we're going to bed early because we are going to be up at 2 a.m.
Oh my
to
God!
summit.
What do I do with this thing? And the kids keep farting because they
I
think
am
it's
super
hurt.
tired. The kids keep farting. They need to adjust their pressure.
Everyone's farting.
Their butt check valve. I'm putting that on the YouTube.
It's only family.